On this video, we are going to open and close the crafting menu using the C button, and we can select items crafted. So once we select a hatchet, we can see that it's equipment. Now inside the tool equipment script, let's add a new method. Inside the inventory slot UI, let's add another variable, so private inventory item, current item. Let's add another one for tool equipment, so private tool equipment. And now let's add another method, so public or private void start. And inside starts tool equipment equal to first object, find first object by type of tool equipment. And inside the setup method, now let's set the current item equal to item. Now let's add the component. Now once we hit the play button, we always see that the crafting canvas is always displayed. So now we are going to add a C button, so we can toggle it on and off. For now, for the crafting canvas, let's uncheck it, and inside the scripts folder UI, let's create a new script, and you can call it crafting toggle UI. Now inside the hierarchy, let's create an empty object, so UI manager, and let's add a component, the toggle crafting toggle we already created. And for the crafting canvas, let's just select the crafting canvas and drag it there. Now let's test. We click on tab to open the inventory, so we have nothing, no tools here. We click on C and we can craft a hatchet, and we can craft a pickaxe. So once we hit this, we have in the inventory we have 2 items already added. For now, let's select the axe, and we have the axe equipped. Later we can select the pickaxe, and we have the pickaxe selected, so we can switch between the 2 tools by selecting.